The year-long centenary celebration of the establishment of the Unitarian Church Nongthymmai, Shillong concluded on Saturday, the 1st of July 2023, at a simple but meaningful closing ceremony during the afternoon. The local MTC, Latiplang Kharkongor, graced the occasion as chief guest and also released a commemorative souvenir on the occasion. The function was attended by traditional headmen of Nongthymmai Church and spiritual leaders of the Unitarian Union of Northeast India and hundreds of Unitarian faithfuls and well-wishers. Those who addressed the gathering, including the president of the UUNEI Empasa, the parish minister of Unitarian Church Nongthymmai, Reverend Derek B. Pariat, and secretary of the congregation K.L. Nongbri, among others. Reverend Pariat urged upon the audience to continue serving the weaker sections in society and try to spread the good news of the Unitarian Church. The theme of the year-long celebration was Shaprang Nin Nang Jam, Jingshai Bansam, or We Continue Moving Forward to Share Our Light. Speaking as chief guest, Latiplang Kharkongor lauded the human service rendered by Unitarian Church Nongthymmai and urged upon its members to continue with their service to the humanity.
But the other, yeah, the was a spa, our your community, Bakani, Pikachu, Kajiaki, Yokunju. Well, in a partner, while I don't show, and they keep parting the Baramban, and sat Jikamau Kumaki. Kogi don't say, Kiwani Shikama, Labaki, cut such a Kamau, or Filapoan, or Sea, or Sakura. Along the 8 days, Kimau, Kapating, and Sakura. I keep spots name. The boy sama mereka si cikut, mereka jingat kita si sepasang. Mat minang betul, ya jingat. Mereka nombor tahu, why ini si, bukan apa tu si, why ini si tu si tu sah. Pilih, betul. Bagi noy dalam apa, jom kawan. Mereka nombor kuih di jingat di, hak jingat tu pi, tapi nang serai kawan.